Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model. As you can see that I have already converted it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. I will show you from the scratch. So first I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from the here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. And here I have activated my part design workbench, and here I will create my body, and I will press the space bar and on the origin plane. Now the first feature which we will create is to create this base profile. So I will select this top plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab and press the space bar and off the origin plane. Now I will select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle, and now I will give the dimensions. So this will be the 100 and vertical will be the 45. Now we will close the sketch, click on the pad, and the pad height is of the 19 mm. So we will select and give the value 19, and we will check for the reverse. So we will keep on the upper side, click on OK. And now the next feature which we will create is to create this profile, slot like profile. So we will switch to the isometric and we will rotate our model and select this back face and click on the sketch. Now we will project geometry. So we will click on the project, this edge and this one, and now we will create a rectangle and we will delete this line, create a 3-point arc and create an arc. And now we will select this and this and add the tangent relation, select this and this and add the tangent relation, and radius is of R19. So we will select this and give the radius R19, and from center to center it is a 19 plus 38. So this point to this point is of 38. Now we will close it, we will click on the pad, click on the reverse, and here the pad is of the 19 mm, click on OK. Now we will select this pad features, go to the refine and set it true, and now we will switch to the isometric. We will select this back face again and click on the sketch. Now we will click on the project geometry, and we will also project this arc. We will select the line tool, create a line and select this and add the tangent relation, and select this point and this arc and add the coincidence relation. Now select the 3-point arc, create a arc, and now we will close our profile by joining these 2 points and this point with this point. So here is some conflict, so we will press the delete and let's see what is unconstrained. So we will select this point and click on merge. So our sketch is fully constrained and we will close it, and the pad is of 10 mm. Click on the pad, click on the reverse and give the 10 mm, click on OK, click on the true. So here our feature is not merged. So we will again go to the sketch and delete this arc, and again create a arc, and here we will make it equal, and this constraint got broken, we will make it vertical, and now we will add the tangent relation. Okay, so now you can see that it is perfectly merged. The next feature which we will do, we will create a fillet of R19 here. So we will select this edge and click on the fillet and give the 19, and now we will create this counter bore hole. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, click on the circle, and now we will give this our bore diameter is of 10, so we will select it and give the diameter of 10, click on close, and now we will select the whole feature, and in whole feature we will define our bore size. Bore size is of 10, and here we will select the counter bore. So counter bore is of 20, and depth is of the 6 mm. So this is how our counter bore will be. Click on OK. Now we will remove the material at this bottom portion. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and here we will create a rectangle, and this rectangle of size of 63 by 6. So we will give the horizontal dimension 63 and vertical is of 6. Click on OK. Now click on the cut and remove option, we will say true all, say OK. Now we will create our slot sketch, which is this slot. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will click on the project geometry and project this outer arc, and we will go to the slot tool and center to center is of 19 mm. So we will select this and give it 19 mm, and we will also click on project geometry, project it, and select this and give it 19 mm, which is already fully constrained because this center was already fully coincidence with our projected arc. And now we will give the radius, select this arc and give the radius of 7 mm. Now we will close it and we will click on the cut, and from here we will say true all, say OK. So now you can see that we have completed our model, and we have successfully converted this isometric drawing into the 3D models with the help of Part Design Workbench. This tutorial is for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD, and FreeCAD is as capable as other 3D softwares like SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.